Alright, from here, going to Publix in Waynesville, but taking a route around Lake Junaluska. Come on. It's just gonna keep rolling? Come on. I'm hitting the accelerator right now. Hitting the accelerator again. It was clear and the car was coming to a stop. There was a car behind me and shouldn't stop at a yield sign when it's clear. Coming. Dang. I don't. It should not have turned that sharply, and then it was trying to adjust itself, but I'm going straight toward the curb. Okay, it should slow down much more in this narrow little gap here. And then you have to make sure no one's coming from the other direction once you get through the gate. So I'll see. So someone's coming. Okay, it looks like it might be okay. So this is a one-lane bridge, and if they would have been further back, I would have had to stop right there and disengage again, because it's just one lane, and you're supposed to take turns driving on the bridge. Alright, so I will remove this stop. Alright, so it needs to slow way down here too. Okay, the car was just coming to a stop and turning away from the lane for that car, and then putting on a turn signal because it's a curve. So if I was actually turning left, I would be going down the hill right there. This is not a left turn. Braking again for that Jeep. And it thinks it needs to stop for that stop sign, and it doesn't. That stop sign is for the side road. So I hit the accelerator there again. So right now there are hardly any people out. If I were to come here on a Saturday at, I don't know, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's going the wrong way. If I were to come here at 3 o'clock in the afternoon on a Saturday, there would be so many people and so many cars down here. The car wants to set me to 25 miles per hour. It thinks the speed limit is 25. It's actually 15, but the cars still don't read 15 mile per hour speed limit signs. It just defaults it up to 25. And it's trying to pull me up that road. Similar to what it did a little ways back. It tries to go up the wrong road. Going to guess it'll put a left turn signal on here. Yep. The road just turns to the left. Very, very, very jerky. This update is by far the worst as far as jerking the wheel back and forth since 10.0 anyway. I don't know if any of the 9 series or 8 were like that, but from 10.0 to 10.11, this is the worst. Stop. Should not inch its way out into a road that has a speed limit of 45 miles per hour. It could see where it was for sure. There was no reason to pull out further and make cars think that you're going to pull out on the road, or make me think that it's going to pull out on the road. Okay, it's slowing down. I'm hitting the accelerator because it keeps... Okay, now it's speeding up. Very jerky there. And hard braking. So that braking was probably because my stop was there. So that is my fault. It didn't disengage, but that's probably why it was putting on the brakes right there. Okay, I hit the accelerator halfway through that turn because it was starting to stop. It needs to not do that. That is also a fairly new thing. Just slowing or trying to stop during a turn. You used to have much more confidence in those turns where it would just go for it and I wouldn't have to hit the accelerator at all. Nope. I'm actually turning right up ahead, and there's a car beside me. I do not need to put on the turn signal for any reason. I'm not sure what it's doing. I'm going to disengage. It can't make the turn into Publix anyway. I don't want it to keep turning the turn signal on with cars around me. But yeah, definitely not a great drive this time. Like I've said, this version has been the worst for me in a lot of ways. The braking for oncoming traffic is just awful. The random turn signals is just kind of annoying. And having to hit the accelerator way more than usual. But yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you like the new camera setup. And I'll see you next time.